meron tayong magandang klase na vitamin C with, ayan, collagen, tapos may glutathione pa. Kaya, saan ka pa? Mabibili po ito sa Watsons sa halagang 11 pesos per piece. Bakit nga ba na size? Vitamin C alone is not enough. That's why we need vitamin C na merong collagen, na merong glutathione, tapos ang dami-dami pang siksik na laman. Katulad ng Radiance C, Vitamin C+, and just like here in my t-shirt, more than just a vitamin C because we are under a pandemic situation. That's why we need more ganito na food supplement to boost our immune system. And luckily, meron po tayong Radiance C, Vitamin C+, to boost our immunity para at least malabanan natin or we will have another shield against COVID-19. So ngayon, tatanggalin ko na muna itong itong sunglasses para at least medyo mas malinaw ako mag-explain. And before anything else, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to sa mga fellows natin ng Radiance C+. Thank you very much for sponsoring me this beautiful product kasi ang binigay po nila sa akin not just only one box containing 30 capsules but 2 boxes. So, once again, yung price po nito na available po sa Watsons is 11 pesos per capsule. And in itong box na ito, kapag 11 capsules, yung 11 pesos yung isa, times 30 equals 330. So, 330 po ito and 330. And aside from that, Radiance C also gave me this t-shirt. Ayan, bright orange color or neon orange color. So, thank you very much for trusting me. And eto na nga, I am now gladly promoting your product and of course, trying my impression for this product na siksik talaga siya. Siksik talaga siya sa laman. And now we are going to flip this camera para makita natin yung effect or yung mga contents ng camera nito. Tanan! We are now going to have a closer look itong Radiance C Vitamin C+. And this product is proudly made in the USA. And each capsule contains 700 milligrams na siksik sa vitamin C, collagen, NAC, quercetin, and more. Obviously, it is no approved therapeutic claims because it is just a food supplement. Kaya we have here the main na cast or yung mga starring, yung mga ingredients which are calcium ascorbate, collagen, quercetin, and acetyl L-cysteine, L-selenomethionine, or ito yung components ng metathione, and then calcium carbonate, vitamin D3, o diba? And then we are going to flip back para makita natin yung supplemental facts. So, serving size per container, ito, 1 box, is 30 capsules. So, serving size, 1 capsule per day. And amount per serving, we have here calcium carbonate 55 milligrams, 16%, calcium ascorbate 100 milligrams, NAC 50 milligrams, quercetin dihydrate 50 milligrams, collagen 40 milligrams, L-selenomethionine 50 mcg, and vitamin D3 5 mcg. So we have the FDA reg number. Ayan na. So naka-register po siya sa FDA. And other ingredients, white rice flour, silicon dioxide, magnesium stearate. Ayan. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Radiance C Vitamin C+, made in the USA. So we have here recommended dosage. Once again, adults can take 1 to 2 capsules per day as food supplement. Precaution not recommended for children, pregnant, and lactating mothers. So I'm sorry guys for those who are pregnant or lactating mothers or breastfeeding mothers. Consult your doctor before taking this product and store in a cool, dry place not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. So, manufactured in the USA by GMP Lab of America, Anaheim, LA, California. O, diba? And then, this is the seal. So, if the seal is broken, you may return the product kung nabili nyo. Kasi available siya sa Watson's Mercury Drug. Ayan. And then, available din siya sa Watson's store. Kapag wala kayong trust sa Lazada or Shopee, meron sa Watson's na store. So, we will be flipping back this camera para makita nyo na buksan natin ito. And we will drink this product. Before we will take this product, we will be having an inspection. So, initial inspection, we will open this product. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan, medyo hard. And we have here yung manual niya. And ang maganda dito is Radiant C provides us some information for us to understand the content of this capsule. So, we have here in Tagalog. So, nakatagalog siya. So, ganyan siya. Yung functions ng calcium ascorbate, collagen, ayan, quercetin, selenium, which is, ito yung it also boosts immunity, antioxidant. Ayan. Tapos, antioxidant din siya. Then, collagen for connective tissue formation. Vitamin C for immunity. Kasama din dito yung calcium ascorbate and vitamin D for stronger bones. Ayan. And then, we have yung NAC and acetylcysteine. To discuss further, ito yung description niya na isa pa. Ang Radiant C ay proven na mabisa for health and for beauty. Ramdam agad ang benefits ng Radiant C for sleep improvement, ayan, para pang-iwas sa sinusitis, glowing na skin, regularized bowel movement, and resistance against illnesses. O, di ba? And sodium-free, so wala siyang sugar, wala siyang salt, and it features calcium ascorbate. So, di ba? Dito lang ng sodium ascorbate na nagiging sanhi ng water retention or bloating. So, this is better than sodium ascorbate. And dito yung mga components niya, alkaline form of vitamin C, yung calcium ascorbate, quercetin, antioxidant, and nagpapatagal ng bisa ng vitamin C. So, selenium is an anti-cancer antioxidant, collagen beauty secret for youthful skin, youthful glow. Ayan. NAC, ito yung glutathione for, ayan, detoxifying agent, antioxidant. O, diba? Vitamin D and calcium ascorbate is to improve bones, teeth, and skin. O, diba? So, they have Facebook page. Ayan. So, MSER Radiant C. Ayan. So, yan po yung description nito. Tapos, glutathione. Yes. Glutathione siya for, alam nyo na, for detoxification of the body and to promote brain function. So, ayan. Sodium-free, and it is really beneficial for your health. And now, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng ito yung itsura ng capsule. So, ayan. This is the legit, the original na Radiant C na I'm sure baka, alam nyo na, yung mga masasamang loob, ipipeke siya. But, eto, this is the product and medyo slightly bigger siya. As in, medyo malaki yung capsule. So, we are now going to open it. So, syempre, para hindi siya tatalsik. Kasi nag-vlog po tayo. So, ganyan lang. And, let's pop the capsule out. It is color orange, as you can see. Color orange. O, diba? Ganyan yung itsura niya. All around color orange. And then, let's just smell this product. You can really smell, alam niyo yon, yung amoy ng sodium ascorbate. Medyo may somewhat konting citrusy. I'm not sure kung yun yung naamoy ko. Medyo citrusy flavor na scent. Ayun ba yun? Ayun. And now we're going to take this product. So, I have here a glass of water. Ayan. So, ganyan. Wala kasing flat surface dito. That's why nilagay ko dyan. And we will be tasting the product before natin siyang lunukin. walang lasa. So, ayan, iti-take na natin siya. Medyo malaki siya. So, there will be a slight challenge na baka mahirapan kayo magdunok. But, since smooth siya, ayan, just go with the flow and drink it. All I can say is, o diba? May-refresh ka talaga. Ang maganda dito is, hindi mo na kailangang bumili ng separate na glutathione, separate na collagen, ayan, and separate na vitamin D. Kung meron namang dito na iisa lang na product, na iisang capsule. So, yes, this is rare for me na available sa market, such as sa Watson's or leading drugstores nationwide, Mercury Drug, ayan, because kasi yung iba, separate siya na vitamin C, separate na collagen, separate na glutathione. So, parang marami. So, ito na lang, parang isang lunukan na lang. O, diba? Kasi kapag maraming beses ka lulunok, syempre magiging malagkit yung lalamunan mo. So, hindi na comfortable. That's why, kapag isang lunukan na lang, mas maganda. O, diba? And, it is also rare for a product na magkaroon ng information na ganito siya. Ayan, na flyers, or reading material for us to further understand the contents of the product. So, in Tagalog term pa siya para at least mas maintindihan natin sa mga laman niya. And yes, it is FDA approved, US product, and definitely legal po siya. And available po siya. Madali siyang hanapin sa Watson's. And yes, I'm going to drink this product. Kasi naubos ko na yung mga ibang vitamin C. Since I am a healthcare frontliner, hindi lang 1 to 2 capsules ang dapat na i-take ko. 2 to 3. Because I'm exposed sa mga patient, lalong-lalo na kapag mga persons under investigation, PUI sa COVID-19, and I already encountered unknowingly COVID-19 patients in hospitals na yung mga hindi pa na-swab na biglang nagpa-positive. So, we really need extra care, extra strength, extra immunity para iwas po tayo sa iniwasan ko po na maging patient. So, if you want more products, and of course, for other companies out there who wants to willingly sponsor me to review your product, you are always free to do so. Just contact me. Ayan, andyan yung mga details sa comment sa description below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more product reviews, more comparison, and more products for me to share with you using my experiences. And reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So that's it for now. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day. Keep safe. Huwag maging pasaway dahil kapag pasaway ka, you're at risk. O, diba? Kaya thank you and mwah mwah.